In this video we're going to convert decimals into percentages. I'm going to use this number 0.18 as an example, and just to remind myself, this 0 would be in the units or the ones. Then of course my decimal point is here, so that this 1 is in the column for the tenths and the 8 is in the column for the hundredths. So I've got 1/10 and 8/100ths in my number. And percentages, we're always going to be thinking parts of 100. So 0.18, I'm going to use the fact that this column becomes the hundredths column, so 0.18 is in fact just 18%. Then if I'm going to think of another one, I might think of 0.2. That's my decimal. So 0.2 is a decimal. I haven't got any hundredths in that number, but I could put in a 0 there, and now I can see that that is 20%, so that would be 20%. So if I want to convert a decimal into percentage, I need to think about the place value of the decimal, thinking up to the hundredths. And one final example, if I've got 0.355 as my decimal, I still need to be thinking of here's my tenths, that's the tenths and that's the hundredths. So if it was just 0.35, it would be 35%, but I've got to think I have now actually got 5 thousandths as well, so that would be 35.5%, like this. Okay. So the golden rules for us to remember, you're going to be looking at the tenths and the hundredths column, and this is the whole number part of the percentage. So for 0.45 it becomes 45%, for 0.30, or if it was just 0.3, remember you can write that extra 0 in, it becomes 30%.